you.
Hey man, this is Devin. So I've been looking for a older Evo for a bit now. I got a couple 8s and 9s. Saw yours pop up and I'm like, dude, I gotta have this car. So give me the info on it and yeah, we'll go from there.
It's not running right now. You probably see from the ad.
Yep.
So the previous owner is my buddy, right? He owned the car before me, and I just bought it like to see if like we can work on it and like make it run. But we just ran out of time like halfway. But how it stopped running was that like started it, then he went inside, got something, and when he came back out, the car had stalled already. Tried turning it back on, and it wouldn't crank.
I love to build motors, so it's right up my alley.
Body is pretty good, except like just like a tiny paint chip like on the rear bumper. I'm pretty sure you can see from the first photo. Checked everything because I made sure that this car was rust free.
That is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm just down in Spokane, Washington.
1 second, be back in like a sec.
Okay, boys. I'm buying a goddamn Evo 4. I am so excited. 96 Evo 4 GSR. And it's so weird because when you're watching this video, this is the day I'm putting my 8, that I'm like selling the 8. So it's weird how it's all working out, but I might cry. I've been wanting an older Evo for so damn long.
Yo.
Cool, sounds good. Well, I want it, I'll buy it. So do I need to send a down payment or what do I gotta do to have you hold it for me? I must let Bobby know. Actually, maybe I won't tell her what I'm buying, but she has to come. Hello? So Thursday, just make sure you're not doing nothing.
Tell me why.
We're going on a vacation.
Okay, sounds good, I guess.
What do you mean? You don't want to go?
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Sheesh! I've never been this excited in my life. Well guys, it's a few days later and Bobby and I are about to head out and buy this car. She thinks we're going to Portland right now. She doesn't know we're going to Canada. She thinks we're buying an Evo 8. She doesn't know we're buying a freaking Evo 4.
Hi.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, but like, I mean, do that.
Hello.
Hi.
You like Canada?
I guess so.
Did you know we're going?
No, you tricked me.
Bobby woke up from her nap a couple minutes ago and said, why are we going to Canada?
Typed in Portland before I got up and looked around. And it said we were 5 hours away, headed the opposite direction.
Damn.
Is there a way to make it wider?
Why are you so excited like that? What the hell? What year of Evo is that? What Evo is that?
What does it look like?
The old ass one.
What is it? You know?
Evo
You better get it right.
4?
Good job. You're smart.
This is not the white one.
You like it?
Yeah, I do like
Is
it.
it sick?
Yes, I've always liked these. You showed me this one.
No, I showed you a white one.
Oh.
What do you think?
I love it. I'm excited to see what it looks like on the inside.
I'm extremely excited.
I'm a little bit more excited now. No way.
I am so hyped on this. I'm more hyped for this over the Supra.
I know. I can feel your butterflies.
Sheesh! Oh boy. We just made it to Vancouver, BC, and here is the new Evo 4. They're so weird looking.
They're so strange looking. Whoa, look at the wing.
Yes. Damn, this thing's faded. I did not know this thing was that faded. Holy shit.
The whole thing is faded.
Damn. That's really faded.
So, you turn it, you'll see like the gauges and everything work, and then the windows all work.
Okay.
Yeah, basically everything power works, and it even has AC, which is rare. Yeah, rare to be working at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see 142K.
Okay.
And yeah, it's not timing belt on right now, so
There's no timing belt on it?
Yeah, but there's a new one in the back for you. Yeah.
Was the timing belt broken?
Timing belt was not broken. It was just it looked kind of shot.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. That interior's not bad. I'm a little concerned. Worse than I thought it would be, as far as like moving.
Yeah, these cars are not kind to age.
Yeah.
Full top.
Hey, so we got the car, we purchased the vehicle. The car is on the trailer behind me. It is a 1996 Evo 4 and it needs to get a bit of work. You guys heard on the phone, it does not run. When I showed up, it had a little bit more wear and tear on the body than I would like. Interior is actually pretty nice. Some rust on the undercarriage. It does all appear to be surface rust, Bobby, which is good.
Nice.
Devin Niemela can take care of that for sure.
Oh, honey, you can take care of anything.
Thank you for the confidence.
Yep.
So yeah, we are headed all the way back to Spokane right now. There's also another car in Vancouver that I found. It was very, very difficult to pay for the car, and if I'm being completely honest, I haven't even paid for the car yet. This guy trusts me enough to take his Evo all the way back to Spokane, and being that, it's a very, very long story, but we couldn't pay for the damn car because the cashier's check has the wrong name on it. So I'm bringing the car back to Spokane. I'm gonna pay him on Monday because today is currently Friday night and everywhere's closed. But as we're trying to figure out how to pay for this car, I walk into the shop that he works at, or that his friend works at, and there's this car, and I almost shit myself. And I jokingly said, "Damn, I want to buy that car." And he's like, "It's actually might be for sale." So you guys might see a different car on the channel soon. Well, my friends, we made it back to the shop in one piece. It's so wild seeing old Evo in the shop. I am so freaking excited for this. Such an iconic car to me. I'll make a video later on going over the whole entire car when I'm not so freaking tired. It is about 7:30 a.m., maybe 7 a.m. right now. We left 8 a.m. yesterday morning. Been a lot of driving, but a quick little breakdown, I guess. Rear bumper, peeling paint. Wing is pretty dang faded. I guess the whole top of the car is faded. These roof trim, the drip moldings definitely need to be replaced. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna find those. Roof is faded, windshield's cracked. How am I gonna find that? I don't know. Hood is faded. The car overall is very, very straight, fairly rust free. There's a little bit of surface rust underneath the car as expected. It is from Canada, so a little bit of surface rust. I didn't see anything completely rusted through. There's no rust on the exterior of the body whatsoever. Interior, my friends, is pretty freaking nice. I'm super excited for the interior. The seats are a little bit messed, you know, just worn, I guess you would say, right here. So it'd be nice to somehow get those completely fixed. I don't even know the plan with this car right now. I don't know if it's gonna be a full restoration. I want to keep it as original as possible, but I also want it to make, I want to make it look cool, if that makes sense. So yeah, super stoked for this. Of course it does not run. I'm gonna go home and go to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of the Evo down in the comment section below. Yes, it is another Evo, but nah, it ain't the same. It ain't an 8 or 9 or 10. It's a freaking Evo 4. Good night.